The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Knoxville Police have seen an upsurge in 911 calls for an unknown reason. The 911 number has been taken offline until the situation is sorted or solved. If this is an emergency, call the backup number, which is 425-577-5656, until 911 is up and running again. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. Residents of the city of Knoxville, lock all of your doors now. At approximately 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple reports say that a mysterious creature is roaming in downtown Knoxville, attacking anyone it sees in its path. If you live in Knoxville and the surrounding areas, lock all of your doors, cover all windows, and seek shelter now. Do not approach this creature, as it is considered extremely dangerous. Make sure you have food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a battery-powered radio in your shelter at all times. Make sure you turn into your local news stations for updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. The creature situation has worsened dramatically. More than 1,000 people have already been killed by this creature, with more than 3,000 people in critical condition. The creature is described to be a wolf-like creature with white fur, red eyes, and a long tongue. If you see this creature, run away as fast as you can. Police are having a hard time eliminating this creature, as it is resistant to gunfire as well as eating several police officers. If you live in the Knoxville area, do not go outside. Lock all of your doors and windows and seek shelter now. Do not go outside until the all-clear is given. Take food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a battery-powered radio with you for your stay in your shelter. Tune into local news media for updates on this life-threatening situation. Civil danger for the entire city of Knoxville. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management in the Knoxville Police Department. The creature situation has worsened dramatically. At 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the wolf-like creature that was causing havoc in Knoxville has caused a massive car accident on Interstate 40. Its body force was able to topple cars and trucks, destroying them in seconds. Survivors were also eaten by the creature as its diet is mainly human flesh. The creature is described to be a wolf-like creature with white fur, red eyes, and a long tongue. It is advised that you should evacuate to cities such as Nashville for the night as this creature is resistant to gunfire. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with you during your car ride. Tune into local news stations for updates on this very life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Knoxville Police Department. The creature incident is finally over. Knoxville SWAT teams have shot a drug dart into the creature's heart, ultimately leading to its death. It is now safe to leave your shelter or return to the city of Knoxville at the time. The Knoxville Police Department thanks you for your cooperation during this dangerous situation.